The Atlanteans gradually lost most of their precious psychic gifts. In 2025, we would call this making unethical, unlawful choices that are service to self at the expense of others' well-being, like slavery or different forms of slavery, sex trafficking, When you make too many decisions like that, service to self, you cut your own cord from the divine source, the cord or thread that connects you to the divinity above and below to Mother Earth. Therefore, you can safely assume Atlanteans lost most of their divine powers, or siddhis, the Sanskrit word for spiritual and extraordinary abilities like clairvoyance, levitation, telepathy, bilocation. I would say this is more like astral projection or remote view or send a message long distance. Elemental magic, the ability to control the elements. Premonition, ability to see past, present, and future. And instant manifestation or apportation, make something immaterial appear material, or transporting an object from one place to another. Either way, do we recall or have remembrances of some of these gifts? Let me know in the comments if any of those psychic gifts resonate with you.